Money saving tip if you want to go off grid and do this lifestyle, the biggest secret, and I'll let it out here, to living off grid. I'm going to tell you how I get free power, but it takes a bit of work, a little bit of money. The money investment turns back into cash being paid back to you. So how do I get free power? Absolutely, I'm making money creating free power.
This scientist is taking the world by storm. This college kid is taking the world by storm. This new heater developed.
Really? Really? Thermal water power is a thermal water power. There's no energy saving. When you put that much energy into a device and it puts that much thermal energy out, that's all you're getting. So how do you save money? You buy the cheapest heater you can find. A watt is a watt. There you go. That's how you do it. What this should really break down to is a man in his jammies is creating free power off grid. I'm not the only person who does it. A lot of people figured it out. So most of these videos that are online and most of these videos that are on internet, YouTube, are being spammed across in your ad section. These are complete and total lies and scams. My solar system back here cost us about $5,000 to build, said and done, maybe $5,500, somewhere in there. It's going to take at least 3, 4, maybe 5 years of using solar power, wind generators and all that kind of stuff to, instead of paying the electricity company, you following me here? You're paying yourself back. Every time you're producing kilowatts a day, you're paying yourself back money until the amount of money that you spent and the money you're making balance out.
Until the amount of money that you spent and the money you're making balance out.
We're at that point. We're at that point where I make free power. I make free money. So all the power that I'm producing on my solar system is now paying me instead of me paying the money out.
Paying me instead of me paying the money out.
Paying me instead of me paying the money out.
So there is a way to get free power, but it's going to take an investment and it's going to take time, and that time will balance out. Boom, free power. That's the only way you're gonna do it. You know, there are tons of ads out there. The ultimate solar generator guide to buy my book, and there's some dude with his shirt off just sitting there and this little book he wants to sell you. All scams, of course they are. You guys aren't that stupid, are you? No. Dumb. We're not that stupid as a society. I am the true person making free power. But it took an investment, and it takes time. You're always going to have to buy something to make something. But you have to think about how you want to do it. What is it going to cost you, and how much time is it going to cost you, and are the conditions right? Do you have enough sun power? Do you have enough wind? Do you have a creek nearby for a hydro generator? What is it, you know? How do you utilize nature's water, wind, and solar? That's it. You know, there's nothing is for free. You're going to have to invest. You're going to have to decide whether that system is going to work for you. You're going to have to pick a great look. Oh, yeah, look, the sun's coming out. Oh, it's starting to hit the panels. See, free power. That's what I'm waiting for today. Partly cloudy. So we'll probably make about, what, 3, 4, 5 kilowatts today? And I'll get my battery system, it's winter here, to a half state of charge. Anyways, don't get scammed. This is the real deal. I told you how to do it. It's, you know what I mean? Time, investment, time, money. Eventually it'll balance itself out and you'll make free power. It's the only way you're gonna do it, folks. That's it. Another money-saving tip, if you want to go off-grid and do this lifestyle, the biggest secret, and I'll let it out here, to living off-grid, all right, is your structure, your house, what you're going to live in, your tiny home, whatever you're building. This comes from my friend David Paz. He has one of the most insulated homes in Massachusetts. You need insulation. You need insulation. All right, you need super thick insulation. You want to aim for like 23 R value on the walls and maybe even up to 30 and 30 to 40 on your ceilings. That's it. That way you are protected from the heat and cold. When it's hot out, it's cool in there, running an air conditioner, turns on for a little bit, shuts off. You're power saving. You can run off solar with a small battery bank. It's not that hard. If it's super cold out, those super insulated thick walls, if you're using solar power, you could use a small little heater, set the thermometer down low so it cycles on and off, and again, you're saving power. The trick to it is how you design your system and how you design what you want to build. How you build it, how you design it is going to benefit you over the long run. Again, you got to spend money, think about what you're going to do, and this is the only way you're going to be able to ultimately get free power and free heating and free cooling. There are ways to do it, but you got to be smart about it. A motor and an alternator is not going to work. Alternator basically has an exciter, it's got a rectifier in there. It takes energy to make energy, and that's counterintuitive. You can't produce more energy. I don't care how you gear it up. There's going to be friction, and it's not going to work. It just doesn't. You need a power source, a free power source, such as wind, such as hydro, such as the sun. These are the only ways you're going to make free power after investing into it. It takes money to make money, but after a while, you'll stop paying yourself back. So we are making money on our solar every time we produce kilowatt. So how much is that? I would say anywhere is between $2 to $4 a day. $2 in the winter, and probably $4, maybe $5 in the summer. There are no power lines coming in here, so this is the only thing we get to rely on. And on my videos, you see me complain, hope the sun comes out. Really do. Free power. Scams. Get out of here. Don't get scammed. Be smart about things.